This is not leadership. It is dangerous glorification of dynasty, entitlement, and authoritarian rule. Zimbabwe was never built to belong to one family, one clique, or a self-proclaimed king called Emerson Mnangagwa of the cursed and unwanted totem of Shumba Murambwe. Dzarabena mashoko omuda panguva ino vanhu vachitaura zvakasiyana siyana pamusoro pemadocuments alika panguva ino achionekwa emunhu Mutapa Kingdom. Zvichazovapo restructuring panguva ino ingaitika kumilitary nekumwe kwese ichiitiwa nezvigananda after they've attained their kingdom. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. No citizen is born to own the nation or to place relatives above the people and the constitution. The liberation struggle was fought for freedom, dignity, and equal citizenship, not for dynasties, fear, or personal empires. Zimbabwe belongs to its people. Any attempt to impose family rule, capture national institutions, or silence dissent must be rejected peacefully, lawfully, and collectively by patriotic citizens. The future of our own nation must be built on accountability, constitutionalism, justice, and democratic leadership, never barbarism or personality cults. King Mutapa feels like someone trying too hard to be a king at 2 a.m. after whiskey and 3 cups of terrible coffee and unlimited access to Viagra, only short of a issue for ED insight to hell with your ED. Mashuka anoita panguva ino naKiruna Mujati after palika these documents amuri kuona ezvigananda panguva ino vachipusha vachitaura pamusoro pema restructuring achanga achiitika after attaining CAB3. Pina comment section medu dzafundirwa ili mutudi pamusoro pechituko ichi. So subscribe or like up on channel to the